Monday, mother, boom. Okay? This is how it is. Oof. Yeah. So, yesterday's video on AI didn't come a moment too soon. AI markets are traded 50% all over. Solana, the chosen child, at $195. We are inches away from normies falling back, wanting back in. Now that's about this, gang. First off, this is the degen play. What we want is this to go $5 billion market cap. Now in order for it to go up, we must shell this out of the buck. Now this is currently at 0.0015, right? At the market cap of 1.7 million. Now in order for it to go times 10, it will have 1 B, and if this goes to a $6 billion market cap, that's a times 50 right now, right? So, $1,000 times 10 is 10,050, 2.5. Yeah, we're gonna have, we're gonna go up around 50x with this one. Why? Because this is the AI of the chosen ones. Along the influencers of the CT, like, CSS Backer, Ilya Trades, Crypto John Crypto, that three guys have been promoting this project ever since, and, up until now, this is the market, alright? So they are promoting this ever since April, and, we got the dip of the lifetime. And that dip of the lifetime costs everyone dearly, but in myself, I've been buying ever since. So I bought here at 0.5, right? I also bought here, but, upon that dip, I also bought huge, those chums in here, 0.8, and now we're up by 2. And we're not stopping here. 60 million market cap with this project. Well, Wuhan is not here yet. We're gonna get a really massive influxes with this injections of money, funds all over the world. And this will go whopping up and up until $5 billion. Now, $5 billion from this is easy, right? So if this is the easy way, you should buy this one. Second one, this is 0x0.ai, another AI project for you guys. The trio have been promoting this ever since again. This is the dip of the lifetime, and I didn't buy here because I got a lot of chunks in here. So once I see this opportunity, I bought here at 0.16. Now we're up 25%. I don't really care what is happening, but this is it. From April, yeah, last year, right? But this year we have been buying for around times 2 now. Okay? So that is the first, this is the first one, #AI. Second will be 0x.ai, and third one will be Destro Network, which is the same, which is the very safe play for you guys. Because April 25th, we have been buying this at around 0.42 up on here. We got them around 0.15, and now we're up times 2. We've been buying here 2 days ago, we've been buying at 0.2, so we're up 50% now. You don't really give a fuck what happens now because we're gonna sell at $5 billion. So this will give you, if this is 300 million, this will give you, clean 15x. And this one at around 200, this will give you a clean 30x. And for this one, this will give you around clean 40x, and we don't give a fuck the price. The fluctuations will continue, and we're just gonna do it side by side. The more that we continue inviting everyone, the more that we do the Ponzi kind of scheme in this projects in the AI. We're gonna build everything in here. So, for this to happen, we gotta do this together. You understand? Do this together now, as in now. And I'm gonna show you some kind of plays because I've been buying a conviction token before. And we're out big. I ordered this tool, but I wanna buy more, you know? Because this has been oversold now. I'm not sure how this will get out. The loading trucks make on currently in 100,000 market cap. If this continues to load, we're gonna do a 200K. Let's go. Load from me, baby. Okay, we're not gonna do that because it sucks. We should continue buying everything that you planned and selling you because everyone will buy this in the future and if you want this life to be your kind of generational wealth financial freedom, I suggest you buy this now. If not, then you're missing everything and you're getting into the sideline kind of notation. If this happens, okay, it's up to you, but, I think that is